The history of artificial intelligence is a long and complex one, with roots dating back to ancient Greek mythology and the creation of mythical creatures such as the mechanical servant, Talos. However, the modern field of AI has its origins in the 1950s, when researchers first began exploring the idea of creating intelligent machines that could mimic human thought and behavior. The 1950s and 1960s were a time of great excitement and optimism in the field of AI. Researchers developed a number of earlier programs, including ELIZA, a natural language processing program developed by MIT researcher Joseph Weizenbaum in the 1960s. ELIZA was able to carry on simple conversations with humans by analyzing their responses and generating appropriate responses based on pre-programmed rules. Another early AI program was the General Problem Solver, GPS, developed by researchers at Carnegie Mellon University in the 1950s. GPS was a program that could solve problems in a variety of domains by breaking them down into smaller sub-problems and searching for solutions through a process of trial and error. In the 1970s and 1980s, AI research focused on developing expert systems, which were designed to mimic the decision-making abilities of human experts in specific fields. These systems were able to analyze data and make recommendations based on their knowledge of a particular domain. One of the first expert systems was MySyn, a program developed at Stanford University in the 1970s that was able to diagnose and treat infectious diseases. Another example of an expert system was XCON, a program developed by Digital Equipment Corporation in the 1980s that was able to configure computer systems based on customer specifications. In the 1990s, AI research began to shift towards machine learning, which involves the use of algorithms to allow computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. This led to the development of neural networks, which are based on the structure of the human brain and can be used to recognize patterns and make decisions. One of the first successful applications of neural networks was the development of the backpropagation algorithm, which was able to learn to recognize handwritten digits with high accuracy. Despite the significant progress that has been made there are still many challenges and limitations to overcome. One of the key challenges facing the field is the ability of AI systems to understand and process complex data, such as unstructured text or images.